Okay, now again, fire is all I need today to instruct you to differentiate synthetic and human hair. This is human hair from our hair. I will burn it now. Wow, it's a bit hot to me. After that, it smells like a barbecue and the ashes can be twisted into powder, like this. I'm gonna try again. Yeah, now you see. Next, let me test the synthetic hair. See gray hair that I bought from China? It smells like plastic, and the ashes will stay at a kicking. One more time. No ashes on my hand. Nothing. Nothing. Synthetic fibers and human hair. If you have any question, please drop the comment. Bye.